Mastering IT governance. Someone in the organization better be owning IT's cultural alignment with the business. Who within the organization is responsible for ensuring that IT operations are culturally aligned with, and reflect the values and principles of, the overall business culture. The responsibility for ensuring that IT operations are culturally aligned with, and reflect the values and principles of, the overall business culture lies with several key stakeholders within the organization. First and foremost, the Chief Information Officer, CIO, plays a pivotal role in driving cultural alignment between IT and the overall business. As the Chief Technology Executive, the CIO is responsible for ensuring that IT operations are integrated with the organization's overall strategy and goals. This includes instilling a culture within IT that mirrors the values and principles of the broader organization. The CIO must work closely with other senior executives to understand the organization's cultural norms and expectations, and then translate these into actionable strategies and policies that guide IT operations. The IT department itself, particularly the IT leadership team, is also responsible for promoting cultural alignment. IT leaders must model the behaviors and values they expect from their team members, and foster an environment that encourages open communication, collaboration, and innovation. This includes providing training and development opportunities to ensure that IT staff have the skills and knowledge necessary to support the organization's cultural values and principles. In addition, the organization's IT governance framework should clearly define the roles and responsibilities for ensuring cultural alignment. This includes establishing policies, procedures, and standards that guide IT operations and ensure that they are aligned with the organization's overall culture. The IT governance framework should also provide a mechanism for monitoring and reviewing IT performance to ensure that it is meeting the organization's cultural expectations. Another key stakeholder is the Human Resources (HR) department, which plays a critical role in ensuring that IT staff are recruited, trained, and developed in a way that aligns with the organization's cultural values and principles. HR should work closely with IT leadership to develop cultural competencies and conduct regular cultural assessments to identify areas for improvement. Furthermore, the organization's executive leadership team, including the CEO and other senior executives, are also responsible for promoting cultural alignment between IT and the overall business. They must set the tone for the organization's culture and ensure that IT is aligned with the organization's overall strategy and goals. This includes providing visible support and sponsorship for IT initiatives that promote cultural alignment, and recognizing and rewarding IT staff who demonstrate cultural alignment in their work. Finally, the entire IT staff has a role to play in ensuring cultural alignment. Each IT team member must understand the organization's cultural values and principles, and strive to model these in their daily work. This includes being aware of the organization's cultural norms and expectations, and adapting their behavior and communication style accordingly. In order to ensure that these stakeholders are effectively promoting cultural alignment, the organization should establish a cultural alignment program that includes the following components: a clear and concise cultural statement that outlines the organization's values and principles, a set of cultural competencies that define the behaviors and skills required to support the organization's culture, regular cultural assessments to identify areas for improvement and track progress over time, training and development opportunities to ensure that IT staff have the skills and knowledge necessary to support the organization's cultural values and principles, a recognition and rewards program to recognize and incentivize IT staff who demonstrate cultural alignment in their work, a set of metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of the cultural alignment program. By assigning clear roles and responsibilities, and establishing a comprehensive cultural alignment program, the organization can ensure that IT operations are culturally aligned with, and reflect the values and principles of, the overall business culture.